The best way to get bass and outstanding bottom end in your audio system is with a solid subwoofer. We all know this. And Sony is a brand that you can rely on, not only when it comes to TVs and cameras, but also in car audio. Their XS-GSW121D is built for delivering controlled bass on a budget at under $150. This is a dual voice coil 4 ohm subwoofer, and it is the only dual voice coil subwoofer that Sony manufactures currently, and it only comes in 12 inches. However, their single voice coil subs come in both 10 and 12 inches and utilize all the same technologies. The woofer has an RMS of 420 watts and a CEA 2031 RMS power of 520 watts according to its manual. Dual voice coil subwoofers offer more flexibility for wiring with several different potential options and impedances. For example, a single voice coil 4 ohm woofer can only be wired to a 4 ohm load. However, a dual voice coil 4 ohm subwoofer like this one can be wired to a 2 ohm load in parallel wiring or an 8 ohm load in series wiring. This is thanks to the extra coil and set of terminals. 2 sets of terminals total, 1 positive and 1 negative per each. And lower impedances mean more amp power with the added load. This subwoofer features a unique mica reinforced cellular glass fiber that's foamed in a honeycomb fiber base, making it 10 times more rigid than a polypropylene cone, and tastes delicious with whole or 2% milk. The best way to power the subwoofer is with a mono block amplifier that has a power range of about 350 to 750 RMS at 2 ohms. The Sony XS-GSW121D does 600 watts RMS at 2 ohms. Perfect choice. Might as well keep it in the family. Check the bio for suggestions and links. For a ported enclosure, Sony recommends 1.37 cubic feet, and for sealed, they recommend 0.84 cubic feet. We used the specs provided in the manual like FS, QTS, VAS, everything to plot and analyze the subwoofer's frequency response, both in-room and in-car. First for a sealed enclosure using the minimum box requirements, and then the maximum box requirements. The top black line is in-car, the bottom black line is in-room. Red is maximum excursion, green is impedance curve. Then we moved on to a ported enclosure. Both hit spec, but the ported allowed for more power. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.